The world of sports betting is fast-paced and exciting. Millions of bets are placed every day. Each bet represents a chance to win or lose. Processing these bets in real time presents a significant challenge. Bookmakers need to track every wager, update odds, and calculate profits and losses instantly. Traditional systems struggle to keep up with the sheer volume of data. This can lead to delays, errors, and missed opportunities. Imagine a critical bet being processed late. This could result in a significant financial loss for the bookmaker. Furthermore, the dynamic nature of live sports adds another layer of complexity. Odds fluctuate constantly based on the game's progress. A goal scored in the final seconds can completely change the outcome. Traditional systems often fail to adapt quickly enough, leading to inaccurate odds and dissatisfied customers. In this rapidly evolving landscape, a robust and scalable solution is paramount. Bookmakers need a system that can handle the demands of real-time betting while providing accurate and timely information. This is where a Python-based serverless application comes into play, offering a modern and efficient approach to revolutionize the industry. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. Python, with its simplicity and powerful libraries, is an ideal choice for building a real-time sports betting application. Its versatility allows for seamless integration with various data sources and APIs. This is crucial for collecting and processing live game data from different providers. Serverless architecture further enhances the application's capabilities. It provides scalability and cost-effectiveness. This means the application can effortlessly handle spikes in traffic during popular events. There's no need for expensive infrastructure investments. At the heart of this solution lies a robust MySQL database. MySQL's speed and reliability make it perfect for managing vast amounts of betting data. It can store everything from user information and bet history to real-time odds and game results. To gain a competitive edge, the application leverages machine learning models. These models analyze historical data and real-time game events. This helps predict outcomes and identify potentially profitable betting opportunities. Python's rich ecosystem of machine learning libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch makes this integration seamless. By combining Python's strengths with a serverless architecture, this solution provides a scalable, efficient, and cost-effective way to manage the complexities of real-time sports betting. One of the biggest challenges in real-time sports betting is handling the sheer volume of data generated every second. With millions of users placing bets on various events, the system must process and analyze this data quickly and accurately. This requires a robust architecture that can handle the load without compromising speed or reliability. Real-time updates add another layer of complexity. As the game progresses, every goal, point or foul can impact the odds and the outcome of bets. The system needs to ingest this data instantly, update the odds accordingly, and reflect these changes to the users in real time. Any delay can lead to inaccurate information, frustrated users, and potential financial losses. To address these challenges, the Python-based solution employs a combination of techniques. Firstly, it uses asynchronous programming to handle multiple requests simultaneously without blocking. This ensures that the system remains responsive even during peak traffic. Secondly, the solution utilizes message queues to manage the flow of data between different components of the application. This allows for efficient distribution and processing of real-time updates without overloading the system. Finally, by leveraging the power of cloud computing, the application can scale its resources dynamically based on demand. This ensures that it can handle even the most demanding situations without compromising performance. Section 4. Building the solution, from database to P&L updates. The development of this Python-based solution begins with establishing a secure connection to the MySQL database. This connection serves as the pipeline through which the application accesses and manipulates the vast amounts of betting data. Once the connection is established, the application can fetch real-time data from various sources. This includes live game feeds, sports news APIs, and historical betting data. This data is then cleansed, processed, and structured into a format that can be easily analyzed. The next step involves feeding the processed data into the machine learning models. These models, trained on historical data and real-time information, generate predictions and insights that inform the betting odds. The models constantly learn and adapt, ensuring their accuracy and reliability over time. Finally, the application updates the P&L calculations based on the latest game events and betting activity. This information is crucial for both the bookmakers and the users. It provides a clear picture of the financial implications of every bet placed. By seamlessly integrating these steps, the Python-based solution provides a comprehensive and efficient platform for managing real-time sports betting operations. Section 5. Business impact, a winning bet for the industry. The implementation of this Python-based solution brings about a paradigm shift in the sports betting industry. By providing real-time insights and accurate P&L calculations, it empowers bookmakers to make informed decisions and manage risks effectively. This translates into increased profitability and a competitive edge in the market. Moreover, the solution enhances the user experience by providing real-time updates, accurate odds, and a seamless betting experience. This leads to increased user engagement, customer satisfaction, and ultimately higher customer retention rates. The scalability and global reach of the serverless architecture open up new avenues for expansion. Bookmakers can easily cater to a wider audience, including international markets, without significant infrastructure investments. Furthermore, the solution enables the integration of new features and functionalities. This includes personalized betting recommendations, in-play betting options, and advanced analytics dashboards. These innovations enhance the user experience and create new revenue streams for the business. Section 6. A slam dunk conclusion. In conclusion, the Python-based serverless solution for real-time sports betting offers a comprehensive and innovative approach to address the challenges of this dynamic industry. Its ability to handle high data volume, provide real-time updates, and leverage machine learning models for accurate predictions gives it a significant advantage. The business impacts are undeniable, from improved decision-making and increased efficiency to global market opportunities and enhanced user experiences. This solution is not just a technological advancement, but a game-changer, setting a new standard for the future of sports betting. By embracing this technology, businesses can position themselves at the forefront of innovation, driving growth and success in this rapidly evolving market. As the industry continues to grow, this solution provides a solid foundation for sustainable and profitable operations. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.